Hey everybody, I thought I'd do a flip through of my newest Bible. I got a few questions and asks for a flip through of this one. This I ordered from Amazon and it was only $15. Actually, no, I'm sorry, Christian Book Distributor, and it was only $15. I just love it. It's so pretty. It is a little small for me though. The pages are a lot smaller than some of my other Bibles, so that's something I'm working with. I'm just having to scale back on some of my entries. So let's get started. A couple of these I can't show you because they're going to be upcoming posts, so I have to save them. This is one that I did with the May Faith Art Box from Creative Retreat. And this is probably one of my favorite ones. It's so bright and colorful, the yellow and the blue. I just love how this turned out. So I will link in the comment section the kits or some of the basic products that I've used, and also I will link any videos of, like this one I have a process video on the Creative Retreat channel, so I will link that. This I used with the March Faith Art Box from Creative Retreat, and I like how that turned out. So let's keep going. This is a Sweet and Sassy Stamps set called My Soul Thirsts for You, and I love these they're cacti. There are a whole bunch of cacti in that kit. I just used some smushing with Distress Inks. So Creative Worship stamps from Sweet and Sassy Stamps. Okay, let's move on. This is from the Less Hustle, More Jesus devotional kit from Illustrated Faith, and that was a lot of fun. I have a process video on this one, so I will link that. I love the colors of this kit. I'll show you, there'll be several entries here. This is also from the Less Hustle, More Jesus devotional kit, and now they're providing a free printable that comes with it if you've ordered the kit, and that may just come from Dayspring, I'm not sure. But if you order it from Dayspring, then you also get a digital file that has images that you can use, as well as the different pieces that come with the kit. So again, smushing. I'm doing a lot of smushing lately because it's just so easy. This is a printable from the Print and Pray shop at Illustrated Faith. And I like that. In the morning when I rise, give me Jesus. I actually did this one smaller, about half size than the printable actually is. So I've printed it on larger size too, but this was a smaller kit a smaller file than I thought. But I like how it turns out here. It works with the scale of this page. This is a printable from Scribbles on My Heart. I just love the colors of this. So that is something you can get at Etsy, Scribbles on My Heart. Okay, let's see here. This is a page that I did, a double page spread, and it says, "My hope is built on nothing less." The cornerstone, you can see the letters that I stamped in the background, cornerstone. I did some splatter painting and watercolors, and this, I don't know if you can see the shimmer of the watercolors. These are some of the Dots and Dusts watercolors, so I'll link that. You can get that through Etsy. And then these are some Documented Faith stickers from the washi tape. Okay, this is from the She Is Brave printable set, which is no longer available through Illustrated Faith. It was a special that they ran. And this is one of my my 100 Bible Promises, 100 Days of Bible Promises entries. And I used watercolors on this. I have a process video, so I will link that. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, this one is a wild party on a page, but let me see if I missed one. Nope, that was it. Here we go. Look at this, party on a page. This is from the Less Hustle, More Jesus set, the devotional kit, and I made a shaker card which is fun, just using the confetti. The paper punches that I used, just used a hole puncher. So I put that in there. And just use a pencil eraser to make all these dots. That is a loud, fun page though. Okay, let's keep going here. Here is another one from the Less Hustle, More Jesus. I'm loving this kit, y'all. It is wonderful, and this is one of those digital printables that I told you about. So I'm loving that kit. All right, let's keep going. This next one, yes, it's this one. This is one of my favorite pages I've done. I love the colors and the stripes. I use pit brush markers, the big brush markers, and I have a video for this one, so I'll link that. I love that. Again, this is the Less Hustle, More Jesus, and I use the printables for this. So if you get those, you really want to make sure you download those printables and use them. Here's one also I did for the Less Hustle, More Jesus. I used the clear cut and made a little tip in, and that's one of the printables. And then the confetti, the wordfetti that you get with it. And I used that same clear cut to make this tab here. Okay, oh, gotta hide that one. Can't do that one. Okay, you'll see that later. Here is one from the March Faith Art Box from Creative Retreat, and I just used the devotional card backing to make this tip in. And I like that one, it's cute. I love blue and yellow together. Here is one, if you are a member of the Creative Retreat Insiders Facebook group, which is free to join, I'll have the link in the comment section, then you can get the free printable that coordinates with the May Faith Art Box. And I understand that they're going to have a printable to coordinate with the June Faith Art Box as well. So this was a fun, easy page that I did with the printable. I think I have another one coming up too. Yes, this one. This is also with that printable. So it was just an easy thing. I did some smushing, yeah, again smushing, to give some color on the page, and then slap that printable on there and a tab, and we were good to go. Very easy page. Okay, here we go. This was for a Creative Retreat blog, and I have a video on the Creative Retreat channel for this one. And I used gelatos in the background. This is from the May Faith Art Box. Bloom in Faith, Bloom in Jesus. Here we go. I have a video for this one on my channel, and I created this background here with washi tape strips from Documented Faith. And these are Documented Faith stamps, and that's one of their paintables that you can just cut out or use however. So I'll link this video. This is one from Sweet and Sassy Stamps, and this was my Mother's Day page. This is my mama, and that's my mother-in-law. And I made a little tag tip in too. Thank you for your sincere faith. That was in 2 Timothy. And here, oh, whoops. This is one I did using the Documented Faith monthly subscription. The first subscription, it came with a stencil, and then these stamps, I have a video, so I'll link this one. That was a fun, easy page to do, and I love the pink. And then I think this is my last one here. This was one I did on the day of Meghan and Harry's wedding, so a royal wedding. And I focused on how that day was a royal wedding, but we can look forward to a royal wedding in heaven when Jesus, as our bridegroom, marries us as his bride, the church. And I just used, this is a stamp from Mag and Me, and then I used a bit of a doily and some tulle ribbon to make this wedding dress. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really cool, the detailing in that. It looks like a lacy wedding dress. So I love this page. I love the sparkle and the dimension to it. So thanks for joining me on this Bible flip through. If you have any questions about any certain techniques, leave them in the comments section. Let me know which ones were your favorite. And if there are any techniques you would like to see in the future, I'll do some flip throughs of some of my other Bibles that I haven't done lately. So I'll be doing that, so you can look on my channel for a few of those coming up. But this is my most recent one. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thanks so much. Bye-bye.